Welcome to Wrong Time Watch. My name is Kevin, and today we have a watch unboxing. A little bit different here. This is actually a watch that my wife purchased for herself. She's not really into watches, but I think is slowly getting into the watch hobby. I know this is a Shinola watch. Since we're in Michigan, Shinola is based in Detroit, as most of you probably know, and she likes some of the styling of the watches, so she went to the store to look at one. They didn't quite have what she wanted, so she ended up ordering this one online, I believe. I don't even know. I didn't know she even ordered it, so we'll take a look at this together. I may even model it on my wrist, but it is a woman's watch, of course. Well, not of course. I've been told there's not necessarily women's or men's watches, just different sizes and styles. So there's the case there. There's that was in the box too. I don't know what this is. Probably just some packaging. Got some kind of packet here. If it has any personal information or not. So just a little thank you note, I guess. So yeah, let's set that stuff to the side, and we'll take a look at what she ordered. I actually don't have a Shinola myself. May have to fix that one day. I'm more into automatic watches, and I know Shinola does have one. I think they have one called I don't know, Lake Monster or something. I don't exactly remember what it is. It came out a year or two ago, but I haven't purchased one of those. So here we go. Nice wood box here. Some kind of internal hinges in here. So let's get it open. Maybe I shouldn't have zoomed in yet. Okay, so you can register your watch. Some kind of, if you can read that, you can pause the video and read all that. So quite the nice box here. All right, here we go. Definitely not my style of timepiece, but I hope she enjoys it. Kind of looks like the old, back when everyone had a pocket watch and then they turned those pocket watches into wrist watches. They would just weld on some metal bars that had a leather strap on it. So it kind of reminds me of that. I'll take this plastic off so we can look at the dial. I don't know what this is actually. Maybe a mother of pearl? Come on, don't want to lose that. Here we go. Obviously, it's a quartz watch. Shinola logo, signed crown. Shinola in the case back there. I think maybe I will put this on wrist just for the heck of it. I have a 6.5 inch wrist, so some women may have a wrist size the same size as mine. I don't know. Or you're a guy and you want to buy this too, you know, knock yourself out. Butterfly clasp, great. Yeah, she doesn't like watches with large bands, so this is kind of her thing. Nice skinny band. I don't really care for the look of it, but it's not my watch, so I'm sure I'll have to size this for her. So there you go, Shinola on the wrist here. And I think I'm going to pause the video and I'll look at the packing information to see what model this actually is. What it says on here. Okay, Argonite 773 Detroit. All right, let me pause the video and I'll read the packing information and I'll be right back. All right, so here's the item number, UPC, and the product name. It is a Birdy 3H 34 millimeter. It's funny because when I was looking at this, I thought it was maybe a 38. I thought this was a lot larger than 34, but I guess the band really kind of throws it off. Let's see, what do I have on the table here? Yeah, she actually took my SKX013, so I don't have that for a size reference. And the SKX 009, which is of course quite a bit bigger at 42. Actually, I have another 36 millimeter watch. It's my little Explorer homage watch, and this is 36. Yeah, it looks larger than 34 though. Interesting. Anyway, kind of a random unboxing here. Looks like it has a mix of it's kind of like a pink gold. Doesn't really look like gold. So anyway, random video. As always, thank you for watching. If you want a full review on this, just leave it in the comment section and I'll go over all the specs and we can go in a little deeper dive on this watch. Just let me know if you're interested and I'll go ahead and do a full review. As always, thank you for watching and talk to you soon.